हाय, आई एम डॉक्टर विनय शर्मा और आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं जेनिस मैम. शी इज़ हियर इन यूएई फ्रॉम लास्ट 27 years और शी वॉज अ टीचर, शी इज़ अ टीचर, शी विल बी अ टीचर. जेनिस मैम, मैं बहुत कुछ मिस कर जाता हूँ बहुत बार, तो प्लीज़ टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट यू.
Good evening, and thank you, Vinay, for having me on your chat show. Yes, I came to the UAE as a young bride, and before I was in the UAE, I was teaching in India. Joined the teaching profession purely out of passion because I love teaching. I saw my mum teaching, so took up after my mum, and here I am, 27 years down the line,
So
still
teaching in your
the
genes.
UAE. Yes. 27 years in the UAE and plus 6 years in India. So I guess
33 years.
33 years of teaching experience.
So I was a kid at the time, I think.
Yes, 33 years of good teaching experience.
So that I can see, like without passion तो I don't feel so someone can do that because UAE में तो ऐसा होता है ना कि लोग बहुत frequent profession change कर पाते हैं.
That's true. A major reason I think for people to change their profession from teaching is the lack of monetary gains in the teaching life.
Less lucrative.
Yes, so teachers basically are not being paid their due for the amount of effort that the teachers are putting in. I think if that could improve, I'm sure you would have more passionate teachers who would really work miracles in the lives of children.
Definitely, that is very important point that कि सबको सोचना चाहिए. If we pay well, then we'll have professional, dedicated, passionate teachers. So आपको इतना लंबा एक्सपीरियंस हो गया यहाँ पे काम करते हुए. How you see UAE evolve in teaching?
I've seen the UAE actually grow. I mean, I've been here for the past, as I said, 27 years, and I've seen the UAE grow from from small steps to taking giant leaps. And the education, especially now, the UAE is focusing a lot on the education sector with a lot of new policies coming up for the education sector, where the UAE wants to make the UAE is planning to see that it becomes the hub for all education, new universities and all that. It becomes a hub for education. And I think that's a giant leap that they've taken. There are a lot of policies happening up in the UAE where students are now being introduced to AI, to STEM, to STEAM, and that's being incorporated in the regular classes that are being held.
So अगर आपने बात किया जो यूएई ने बहुत डेवलप किया अभी पूरे सिस्टम को, how you see when we are talking about small kids up to class 5, so do you want that or do you wish to implement something new so that they can be molded in such a way कि वो बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो, बहुत अच्छे इंसान भी हो और किसी तरह से वो खुश रहना सीख पाए. आजकल ये देखने को मिलता है ना कि देयर इज अ प्रेशर, लाइक सबको लगता है कि मार्क्स मार्क्स मार्क्स. सो हाउ यू सी द थिंग्स?
The UAE actually now is basically moving into creative thinking with the children. They are trying to move into thinking out of the box so that children's creativity and children's imagination is also looked into and incorporated into their daily lessons. So a lot of measures are being taken in the school also by many of the heads of the school to incorporate this kind of teaching where children can creatively express themselves and not only cram knowledge. So there is a lot of hands-on learning, there is a lot of experiential learning happening in the classrooms so that children also benefit and they make learning more interesting for children.
So एक शब्द बहुत सुनने में आता है मैम, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट.
That's right.
और बहुत सारा परसेप्शन ऐसे क्रिएट किया जाता है कि दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज अ रियल थिंग. सो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, इट्स रियल और मिथ?
I wouldn't call it a myth. I would say yes, holistically, children have to develop. They have to have knowledge, as well as they have to have their experiences, as well as they have to be well rounded human beings. When you are not a well rounded human being, you cannot do anything else. So if you are able to use up all your resources that you are being given, you become a well-rounded person. So you need to be compassionate, you need to be inquisitive, you need to experience things by yourselves. So I think yes, holistic development is important with the child.
और इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस में 6+27 33 years, मुझे लगता है एक से ज़्यादा ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस होंगे जो बहुत टच किए होंगे आपके हार्ट को, बट फिर भी मैं एक दो जानना चाहूँगा.
I've had very special experiences, yes, all through my career in the teaching field. One that stands out is I had a child who would not speak, and he was on the autism spectrum, and he never allowed any teacher to touch him also. But just by using my kind words with him and helping him to understand what I am teaching through pictures, through activities, he kind of developed that comfort zone with me, and he did not want any other teacher next to him. And he would literally eat out of my hands, I would say. He would, if I said it, he would do it. So I had to be in the class all the time, and that's where the teachers felt comfortable also teaching him, because I was there. I would only have to look at him and say, "You will do that for me," you know? And he would listen, he would do all his activities, complete all his work. And the teachers would tell me, they said, "How does he complete work in your class, but he doesn't complete work in our classes?"
That is the mother touch.
Yeah, I said, you just need that Midas touch with the child. And today when I see him, he's now in grade 9, I suppose. And he comes, whenever he sees me in the corridor, first thing he'll come and hug me. So that's something that's really touching for me.
अभी तो बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता होगा ना, like let us suppose your first batch, now तो they are grown up, 27, like maybe 35-year-old.
Yes.
So कभी ऐसा हुआ कोई आया हो और किसी ने कुछ सरप्राइज कुछ प्लान किया हो आपके लिए?
So far not anything in the that's happened really well, but I did come across one child in the supermarket once, and he told me, he says, "Do you remember me?" I said, "No, I don't remember you." I said, "I remember which house you were in." I said, "But I can't remember your name, son." So he said, "Which house I was in?" I said, "You were in the yellow house." He said, "You remember my house, but you can't remember my name." I said, "No, I can't remember your name, son." He says, "Ma'am, do you remember how you used to say, if you all don't write neatly, I will spank your bottom black and blue?" He says, "I only remember that, ma'am, about you, and that was really very funny about you. Spank my bottom black and blue."
That is the pet line sometimes.
So, I mean, sometimes you have to be harsh. You have to be harsh to be kind with the kids. But it did work. He says, "Ma'am, now my handwriting is really very good."
Because of you only.
I only remember that part about you, ma'am.
So, अभी आपको क्या लगता है, अगर हमें कुछ बदलाव करने हो UAE के सिस्टम में, तो आप क्या चाहेंगी? लाइक व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्मॉल किड्स, किस टाइप के बदलाव होने चाहिए सो दैट वी कैन इंक्रीज क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन? आई नो टिल नाउ जो आपने बताया कि ऑलरेडी दे आर डूइंग सो गुड, बट ऑलवेज देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट एज ए टीचर, एज ए विजनरी टीचर you have in your brain?
I would want numbers of children to reduce, because now in the classrooms we have a lot of children, and I don't think one teacher can cater to all those needs of those children. So if we have lesser number of children in the class, we could concentrate better. Or even if you have a larger number of children, let there be an assistant who would help us in looking after the children because nowadays it's all differentiated teaching happening over here.
Individual
so as,
attention.
Yes, as per the child's capabilities, you're supposed to cater to the needs of those children. You have children who are auditory learners, you have visual learners, you have kinesthetic learners. So to blend all that into one lesson is demanding. So if you have a little assistance, it would go a great way. Or it would also, if you reduce the number of children, then we could have that much more personal attention given to students.
And what about like teacher training? Let us suppose आपने एज ए टीचर ज्वाइन किया, बहुत सारे फ्रेशर्स भी आते हैं करने के लिए. हाउ द रोल ऑफ टीचर ट्रेनिंग इज लाइक दैट मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, और इट्स ओके एनीवन कैन टीच अप टू क्लास 5?
No, it's very important that you have someone who's qualified to do the job. You cannot ask a chef to repair an aeroplane, right?
Definitely.
So, I mean, in that respect, yes. So you cannot have a housewife coming in and teaching in a class full of children where your subject knowledge is very limited. So as a mother, yes, I could teach my child a variety of subjects because I don't need to have that much of in-depth subject knowledge. I just teach them the content in the book and that's the end of it. But if I am a teacher, I need to have, my subject knowledge needs to be very good. Only then will I be able to deliver the goods.
Definitely. And आज की डेट की हम बात करें तो there are so many countries having teacher exchange programs. So what do you like say about it?
I would like to have a teacher exchange program, especially a teacher exchange program with Finland, because Finland is rated as one of the best teacher quality of teaching in Finland. So I would love to have a teacher exchange program where I could learn something new from another country and learn something that could be incorporated into the UAE.
So मुझे लगता है कि ये डिस्कशंस होते रहने चाहिए, एंड यू आर आवर फर्स्ट गेस्ट एंड आई फील लाइक कि हम आपको बुलाते रहेंगे, क्या क्या बदलाव हो रहे हैं, एंड मे बी इन 10 years we see the things happening here.
You will find a lot of difference happening in the UAE because we've got very benevolent leaders over here. So definitely you will see a great change in the education system over here.
Definitely. We want to be part of that as well. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Mr. Vinay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Janice.